We're making some calzones today. I'm just getting a whole bunch of broccoli rabe ready. I'm cutting off the tough bottom stems. Look at this. Just go ahead and make it easy on yourself and cut it right there. Say thank you for coming. So I'm gonna start to get these blanching. So my water is at a boil. I'm gonna put a couple big handfuls right in there. So I'm gonna blanch those just for a minute, and then I'm gonna plunge them right into ice water. I'm gonna get some sausage browning, nice big pan, a little olive oil. Hello, hot Italian sausage. I'm gonna get this into my pan. All right, start to let that brown up. Look at that, broccoli rabe. Hey, blanchy. Now we shock it. It stops the cooking process, and it also sets the beautiful green color. Okay, beautiful. So we swish this around. Tasting delicious also. Let me just give it a QC, a little quality control check. It tastes delicious. Why? Because super salty equals broccoli rabe that tastes really good. Can you do me a favor and drain that, please? All right. So broccoli rabe working. Ooh, sausage browning up. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, baby. I love a sausage facial. Got some ricotta, a bunch of parm. Cool, thank you. So I got to get this guy all chopped up. Isn't that beautiful? Broccoli rabe is one of my favorite vegetables. It's gonna be great inside our calzone filling. Just chop it all up. There's no science to this one. We're just trying to make it easier to eat. When you bite your calzone, you don't want to be pulling broccoli rabe all the way out of your mouth. This makes it more diner friendly. We're always thinking that way. All right, here, dude, can you crumble it all up? Thank you. All right, chopping up this guy. All right, look at me all chopped up. Hey, broccoli rabe. Beautifully blanched. Oh yeah, that is good stuff. Now when I put stuff inside a calzone, I like creamy stuff. I like cheesy stuff, so I'm gonna add a bunch of ricotta. A very milky flavor and a bunch of salty Parmigiano. All right, so how are we doing on sausage? Ready? Yep. Okay, so I had a bunch of hot Italian sausage that came outside the casing. I just bought it in bulk because I'm making a lot. So I browned it off, we crumbled it up, so it will really just marry with all this stuff beautifully. And here it goes. Oh yeah, look at that. Woo, I smell that spicy stuff. All right, and we start to get this all mixed up. Good stuff. All right, I'm ready to roll. I already rolled out a bunch of my doughs. I have 6 here that I did. And it's such a great thing to put out for, you know, like family times or whatever. I'm gonna put about 3/4 of a cup or a couple big spoonfuls of filling into my dough on sort of the bottom half. Then I'm going to just use some egg wash just around the bottom edge. We don't need too much glue here. Otherwise, instead of being sticky, we'll be slippery and slidey, and that's not what we're looking for. Then we meet the top half right down at the bottom half. Look at that. Now, just for fun, to make it look cute and pretty, I'm gonna fold these guys over and do a little crimping action. Look at it. So it's like, oh, look, it's delicious and beautiful. We like that one. So crimping shut. Oh, hi, cutie. My little calzone. So I'm gonna grab a sheet tray to put that on. I'm gonna land that there. Hi, little cutie. I'm gonna give it a little egg wash on top. And you know what? I'm feeling a little fancy today, so I'm going to, look at that, beautiful. I'm gonna grab some sesame seeds to top my calzone with. If you're not a sesame seed person, leave them off. But I kind of like that. So I'm gonna give these a little bit of a vent to allow the steam to escape while it's baking, and so it won't have a blowout. It'll just look beautiful. Look at that. Just a couple sesame seeds. I love those. Hello, beautifuls. With a ricotta sausage and broccoli rabe stuffing. I put them together. I brushed them with a little egg wash, gave them a little sprinky dink of some sesame seeds, and now I'm tossing them into a 350-degree oven for about 30 minutes. Calzones are out of the oven, standing by. Look at these beauties. Now, I have a little tomato sauce warming up. I like to have a little marinara sauce or a little basic tomato sauce with my calzone. If you do not, then you can skip it. But this is just a standard sort of tomato sauce recipe. We've made this before, and you can find this recipe on foodnetwork.com. In fact, all of these recipes on foodnetwork.com. So I'm gonna do a little dipper on the side. All right, you know what? Let me grab a fork and a knife. Let's get right in there. Oh yeah, baby. Okay, look at that. My broccoli rabe and sausage filling smells amazing. My dough that I made, look at that, perfect. Let's dip away. Oh yeah, good stuff. I really feel the creamy of the cheese, the bitter of the broccoli rabe, and the spicy sausage with the tomato sauce working beautifully.